Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
This video tutorial is suitable for differently abled students. এই ভিডিও টিউটোরিয়ালটি ভিন্নভাবে সক্ষম শিক্ষার্থীদের জন্য উপযোগী।
Story writing for junior grade or class. Unity is strength. Once there was an old farmer in a village. He had 4 sons. They were illiterate. They used to quarrel among themselves. This made the farmer very anxious. He wanted to teach them a lesson. So, one day, he asked his sons to bring some sticks and a piece of rope. He asked his eldest son to bind the 4 sticks together. Then he ordered him to break the bundle. His eldest son tried but could not. He told all of his sons to break the bundle. They tried their best one by one, but in vain. Then the old man again asked the eldest son to untie the bundle. The old man gave everyone a stick to break. At that time, each of the sons broke the stick very easily. Now the old man raised his head and said, "My dear sons, remember that unity is strength. If you are united like a bundle of sticks, nobody will be able to harm you. If you quarrel and remain separate, you will lose strength, and anybody can harm you." Now the sons could understand the importance of unity and promised not to quarrel among themselves anymore.